Chamfer Edge in AutoCAD 3D. Go to Solid tab and here it is Chamfer Edge. Select this chamfer edge and go to the distance. I just make the distance 50 into 50, enter, and select the edge. I select this edge and simply double enter. The edge is ready. Again go to chamfer edge and go to the distance. Make the distance first one 100 and next one 50, and I select this edge and double enter. Now you can see the edge is created. Similar way, if you want to make multiple edges, you can use loop option. Go to the chamfer edge and before loop select the distance. I just make 50 into 50 and go to the loop option and select the loop. You can select, I just select this area. If I select, this is one loop and bottom another loop. So if you accept this one, you can simply accept it. You can enter, or if you need to go to the next, select this next. It will tell you the next loop and it is accepted. So simply enter, again enter, again enter. 3 times you need to enter. And now the final chamfer is ready. So this is the way you can create chamfer edge in AutoCAD 3D.